Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. As you know, I'm in a small group build hosted by Sean. There's his channel. And Brian. There's his channel. The small group build is anything 1/32 or smaller. It's got to be automotive. And I have chosen to build this Steyr, which I am turning into a wrecker. And here's a second one I'm building. And he's getting turned into more of just a kind of a cool car that a kid would be driving. It's pretty neat. But this video is all about an update on my small group build. Let's get the camera turned around and show you my update. We start off with this kit, showing you my update. And I'm getting ready to cut this thing down because I need to, like I said, make it a wrecker. Here I'm showing everything getting cut down. That piece there I'm cut down for the top to flip up. The floorboard, I had to add a piece into the floorboard because that's where the spare tire went. You can see the white plastic there. There's some mock-up. More mock-up. You can see that white plastic again. That came out pretty nice. And I'm adding a back wall because this is kind of just a regular cab truck now. There's my back wall I added. I even put some bracing into the back wall. There's some more mock-up. Now I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to set the boom in the back. Found some cans. I'm doing a little painting here, trying to get everything into one color. Probably put it in a base color of just a Tamiya black. There's the front fenders, front hood, or the front doghouse. Fill in the airbrush. And there's where I'm at. I'm not really digging that bed, but that's mocked up there. It looks alright. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it though. So what I decided to do, this piece here I cut off. I decided to cut it down so I could rob the fenders. There I'm cutting the fenders off that piece. And I've got my fenders. Getting them cleaned up. There's some stock that I put onto the frame rails because I want to raise the bed up just a hair. And I've decided to put some diamond plate on there. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to do here on the bed. So I've decided to scratch build a bed. So I grabbed some sheet plastic, just shaped it into that shape. I had to add a little length to my rear fenders there. There's some toolboxes I'm working on, and of course the bed again. More mock-up. I had to bring the toolboxes way down in size on where I think I'm going to put them. And there's the bed with the fenders glued on. There I'm working on banging up the front end a little bit. And of course the front bumper and stuff needs banged up also. My second update, this is the second kit I'm working on, is that one right there. As I said in the opening segment, I'm turning this into more of like what a kid would drive. Well, there's the tires and wheels that are going on it. That's the direction I'm heading. And this is the kit I robbed the extra tires on to make the first kit a dually for that wrecker. And there I'm starting to mock up some rear tires. And I'm getting everything ready for paint. Both these kits have been really fun. They're small, so it's been a challenge. I'm used to 124, 125 scale. We'll get these kits finished up by the end of February and have the finished video on both of them here in the next couple weeks.